Hi guys, so this is a second way that you can go about making your rarefaction plots for PostLab 1, this time using Google Sheets instead of Excel. So here the process is a little bit more involved just because we have to first rearrange our data in a little bit, because Google Sheets for some reason doesn't allow you to add additional series to plots in a super intuitive way. So what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to select our number of individuals column for group A, and we're going to add that and paste that in a separate column that's somewhere, somewhere else in the spreadsheet, essentially. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the number of individuals column for group B. And we're going to add it vertically below column that we just posted for group A. So just like that, where one is on top of the other. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our number of species column, select that for group A, and then we're going to post that just to the right of where we posted our number of individuals column, pasted our number of individuals column. So we're going to paste that there. And then we do the same thing for group B, but now instead of posting it just one column to the right, we move an additional column over and we do the same thing. We then are going to select all of these cells in which we just inputted our data into. We're going to go ahead and insert our chart. Okay, so this is the chart that Google Sheets makes for us, and you can see it's already kind of in like the right format that we need. All we need is things like series titles and axes titles and, an overall chart title, of course, as well. So we're going to start by adding those series titles, and so this is fairly simple. You just click on the legend and then the actual series you want to be editing, and then you can put the title you want here. So we're going to say Group A. And you can see that it adds that to the plot. Then we're going to do the same thing for group B, um, group B curve, if I can get that to work correctly, which, okay, right, there you go. So that's still not working correctly. I don't know what's going on, but okay, yeah. And so once we've done that, the only thing that's left is to add our chart and our axes titles, and you can do that fairly easily by right-clicking on the plot, and then you'll see this option to add chart and axis titles, and you can see you can add a chart title, you can add your horizontal axis title, which is going to be the number of individuals, and then your vertical axis title, which is going to be your number of species. The overall chart title should just be the community that you're working on. So in this case, groups A and B did the tropical understory community, so that's what the chart title would be. But yeah, this is basically all that you need to do and what you need to turn in for next week. Again, you can either email these to me virtually or you can print them out and staple them to your post lab to turn in, manually next week. Again, if you have any other questions or if there's still anything you're kind of confused about, feel free to reach out over email and I'll provide any additional assistance as needed.